Welcome to the Data Science Using Python tutorial on reading an Excel file into Python. Now we're going to use the pandas package here, and here I'm just going to show you how to basically read it in. I'm not going to go through all the options or anything like that. Right now we're easing ourselves in different data types, how to do that. This will be a very short video. I'm going to show you what to do. Number one, I'm going to make sure that my working directory is where I want it. The file that I'm interested in is Impulsivity.xlsx, and that happens to be on my desktop. That's where I put it, and by setting this up here, this is my working directory. The next thing I need to do is import any necessary packages, and here I put an extra comment out here that this is for data processing and analysis. So you're just going to do import pandas as PD. I'm going to run all of this, highlight it, and I can hit this button up here that will run just that bit that right there so I can work interactively. And I run it, and bingo, it pops up the data set or data frame into my variables, and I can open it up if I want to look at it, and you can see the different types of data that are sitting in here. So this hopefully will help you read in an Excel file. There are lots of other options, and as we move along, we may or may not talk about all the other options, but this will get an XLS file into your Python project so you can start working with it. All right, so the next video we're going to talk about manipulating data a little bit more, and we'll see you there.